Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you something very different. In other hands, this might be based on my opinion, but I'm saying this because I've used all the metro station in Lagos, Nigeria, pending the blue line or the red line. I have used both and I know what it feels and how they look like. On my own opinion, today's video, I'll be telling you the best metro station currently in Lagos, Nigeria, and that is where we are today. Join me as I take you on this trip to the best and most used metro station in Lagos. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and turn on the post notification so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to watch it before anyone else does. Anyways, back to the video. This is the Marina train station at Marina CMS. This is one of the busiest metro stations, especially in the morning. Though the blue line transports 150 passengers per day, depending on how busy the day is. It might be lower on Sundays because they usually don't work full days on Sundays. But Monday to Saturdays are always busy. Anyways, let's take a trip and let me show you how beautiful this terminal is and some of the benefits you don't know about. This is me right here in the terminal, wondering why this place was so beautiful and different from other metro stations. Looking at the metro station from the windows, there is a big sea that joins the Atlantic Ocean, and this sea you see a lot of ships, making it a nice view to behold while waiting for your train to arrive or if you missed your train. Anyways, that's out of the topic. Inside the metro station, this is the only metro station in Lagos where there is a pharmacy, an eatery, and also a relaxation place. When I was coming from my tour, the metro station there does not have seats for passengers to sit while waiting for their train. You have to stand or lean on the wall. But when I got to Marina CMS, I discovered there was seats for passengers to sit down and wait for their train. There was also an eatery where you could easily get something to eat before your train arrives or before you depart for your movement. This is the beautiful sea, as you can see, and this is one of the ships that were close by at the time of making this video. It was a very pleasant thing to look at. This terminal also has a pharmacy, in case I forgot to mention that. Though, as of the time of making this video, this pharmacy is known as Med Plus. They are very popular in Lagos, Nigeria, and this pharmacy has been dominating most of the malls and little stores around. Though they are currently being built at this terminal, so at the time of making this video, the pharmacy isn't opened yet. And also the workers at this terminal are very friendly, as I was able to relate, communicate, and even ask questions that in some places I might not get an answer to. I was pleased with the service I got here. The elevator was working perfectly fine, both the going and coming. And why I say this is one of the best terminal, or rather one of the best metro station, is that as soon as you drop from your train and you come downstairs, there are buses right there to take you to anywhere you're going to. In case you're going to Aja, Lekki, VI, the rest of them, these buses will take you to anywhere you are going. And if the place you are going to does not have a bus stop, there are bikes around there who could take you to any specific location, even to your house. If you allow them, they will drive you into your room. So that's how movable this place is. And I really love the workers, the environment, so chilling. The AC is 100, the staffs are super nice, and the card here works perfectly fine. When you scan your card, it works at ease. So tell me on the comment section if you think this is the best or not. Anyways, this is my own